Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove unknown numbers from WhatsApp, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your contacts and reduce spam. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the Chats tab to view your conversation list. Step 2. Identify conversations from unknown numbers that appear without a saved contact name. Step 3. Tap and hold on the conversation from the unknown number you want to remove. Step 4. A menu will appear with several options including delete, archive, and more. Step 5. Tap delete to remove the conversation from your chat list. Step 6. WhatsApp will ask if you want to delete the chat. Select Delete Chat to confirm. Step 7. To prevent future messages from this number, open the chat before deleting it and tap on the unknown number at the top. Step 8. Scroll down and tap Block to prevent this number from sending you messages or calling you. Step 9. You can also report and block if you believe the number is sending spam or malicious content. Step 10. After blocking and deleting, the unknown number will no longer be able to contact you through WhatsApp, and the conversation will be removed from your chat list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.